Hi there, friends. I'm so excited to learn with you today. Get ready for an amazing adventure where we'll discover something really cool together. You know what's really interesting? Sometimes the biggest ideas can be super simple to understand when we break them down. Let me show you what I mean with something fun. Here's our first awesome example. Watch carefully as we see how this works. It's just like building with blocks. Each piece fits perfectly with the next one to create something amazing. And now for my favorite part. Look at what happens when we try this second example. Isn't it incredible how it all comes together? You're doing such a great job following along. Let's quickly remember what we learned today. First, we discovered how simple ideas can be really powerful. Then we saw two amazing examples of how it all works. You're getting so good at this. Wow, you did such an amazing job today. I'm really proud of how much you've learned. Keep being curious and excited to learn new things. See you next time, friends.